following is a
Hello YouTube, it's me again, Ponggoy. Welcome back for another video. Sir Spook! Ang papanoorin natin ngayon. Top 5 scary videos that you won't watch alone. So, first time natin dito si Sir Spook, kaya wag na tayo mag-atubili.
This first video was published to the highly popular High Strangeness subreddit, which is essentially one big collection of all sorts of photos, videos, and stories relating to the paranormal, UFOs, ancient cultures, cryptozoology, anomalies, and other strange things. The footage in question was uploaded by a user named Blunt Stew, who shared that the video was filmed in his old apartment from when nobody was home at the time. It's clear that to this day, the footage still freaks him out, which is why he uploaded it, to see what other people's opinions on it were. Let's take a look without further ado.
Sarado. Wala bang anino? Para may nakita ko anino. Ayun, oo nga. Gagi, parang may kamay. Baka naman nagwawalis lang. Diba? Baka naman meron silang tagalinis ng bahay, may nagwawalis.
Out of nowhere, the dawn frame of the camera can be seen closing seemingly automatically. The uploader points out in the description of the video that it looks like something is underneath the door whenever it closes. Some have thought perhaps the uploader had a cat, but he's clarified that at the time of the recording, he did not. What exactly could this be? Is this some sort of strange, door-closing ghost caught on camera? Something even more or less sinister? Or was this all a hoax to try to get some attention on the internet? You be the judge.
So, ano sa tingin mo yun, diba? Yan maganda eh. Comment bigyan sa baba kung ano sa tingin mo. Kasi parang may nakita kong anino bago magsara yung pinto. Siyempre, bago tayo magtuloy, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Subscribe ka na? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Mag-subscribe ka. Like, share, and subscribe.
A woman on TikTok named Jenny posted the following video to her account on November 11th of this year. And since its upload, she's been getting multiple comments from people who are just as freaked out by the footage as she is. In the video, she explains that someone tried to get into her house at 2 in the morning. The following footage shows the exact moment that Jenny busted out her cell phone camera to record the incident.
2 a.m. in the middle of the day. 40. Katakot yan. Sino yan?
As you can hear, a person keeps knocking and ringing her door, despite the fact that she lives alone. To this day, Jenny has no idea who or what could have come to her door so late at night, and what this strange individual could have been after. What do you make of this strange footage? Is this a case of someone having a creepy stalker? Is this just someone trying to be mean and pull a prank on the poor unsuspecting woman? We may never know for sure.
Diba kung prank, walang problema eh. Matatanggap mo na yun eh. Maaasar ka lang eh. Pero diba, pakadelikado, mas nakatakot ang tao. Diba?
Memorial celebrations are a bit bittersweet for many people all around the world. It's a great opportunity to get to celebrate the life and legacy of a past loved one, but it's also tragically sad to come to terms with the loss. However, this Reddit user may have gotten a visit from Pops at his very own memorial celebration, as captured on this unsettling piece of footage that was posted on November 17th, 2022. Take a look at this part of the video right here, around the 25-second mark, and let me know what you see.
To you, O Lord, I lift my soul. This is a reading from the Gospel according to John, chapter 6, verses 37 to 40. At that time, Jesus said to the crowd, "Everything that the Father gives me will come to me.
Ay, grabe, bumukas yung pinto.
Anyone who comes to me,
Kagi, walang
I came
tao.
down from heaven not to do my own will, but the will of the one who sent me. And this is the will of the one who sent me."
Did you see it? One of the doors in the background seems to be opening all by itself, which has caused the uploader to think that the ghost
Kala ko nga may nakasilip.
of his dad came to visit the celebration ceremony that day. which would definitely make for one interesting tale. What do you guys think? Is there a perfectly natural explanation to this, or did something paranormal actually take place that day? Let me know in the comments. This woman on TikTok says that she swears that her and her brother hear what they believe is a skinwalker every single night, which is certainly something you wouldn't want to be hearing
Ano yung skinwalker? Comment mo dyan sa baba.
on a nightly basis. This time around, she decides to pull out her phone camera to see if she could manage to film one of the noises she hears every night on camera for the first time, to prove to the world that what she's hearing is real. Take a listen.
I'm hearing skinwalkers right now.
Let's see if I can get it out there. That's ridiculous. You gotta be hearing this shit.
According to the uploader, she thinks it sounds like a very distorted man screaming "help me" or just loud, blood-curdling screams. She also says that this is the first clearly audible one she caught on video. What do you make of this freaky piece of footage? Was this TikTok actually hearing the terrifying sounds of a real-life skinwalker? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
So, skinwalker, hindi ko alam, no? Pero yung narinig kong help me, nagka-camping ka, di ba? Daming pumapasok sa isip natin eh. No? Pwede kasing isang tao yun na na-aksidente, parang malayo yung boses eh, di ba? Paano kung yun ay totoong tao na humihingi ng tulong, di ba? Ang mas nakakatakot nga lang doon, pag tumulong ka, help me, tapos tumulong ka, tapos yung pala, isang masamang nilalang, di ba? So, delikado. O ikaw, sa tingin mo, nasa camping ka, anong gagawin mo? Comment mo dyan sa baba.
Following is a piece of footage captured on a surveillance camera stationed at the Finucetto Sanatorium in Argentina at 3 in the morning. The video shows a guard walking around and patrolling the area just like usual. However, it seems like this normal day on the job is about to take a seriously strange turn, as early on in the video, it almost seems as if the guard inadvertently lets in an unexpected invisible guest. Take a look.
Ooh.
Many commenters have agreed that the footage is definitely quite eerie, with some people suggesting that it's either the guard is playing a prank for the camera, or it's just a legitimately creepy piece of footage that's incredibly difficult to explain. What do you think? Is this just a guard playing around? Is this a ghost captured on camera? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
So ayan, magko-comment ako dito, no? Kasi nabalitaan ko na to, hindi lang ako nag-comment, ngayon ko lang nakita. Ngayon ko lang din siya napanood, pero nabalitaan ko na to. So, unang-una, di ba? Umpisahan natin dito sa unang-una. Yung pinto, hindi naman gagalaw yun eh. Gagalaw lang yan kapag may dumaang solid eh, o may tumapat na solid. So, ibig sabihin, kahit ganunin, kahit yung kamay mo, hawiin mo lang ng kamay yun, di ba? Merong o kaya kahit stick, di ba? Pwedeng mangyari. Siguro baka ito ay prank lang. So, hindi natin alam kasi ito ay viral. So, yun yung tingin ko. Kasi kung multo, paano magkakaroon ng solid ang multo? Di ba? Yun lang. Siguro, kaya nila din. Who knows? Hindi natin alam kung anong kakayahan ng mga multo. Pero feeling ko, yun yung number 1 na pinagdududahan.
That it's either the guard is playing a prank for the camera, or it's just a legitimately creepy piece of footage that's incredibly difficult to explain. What do you think? Is this just a guard playing around? Is this a ghost captured on camera? Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
O, di ba? Yung pangalawa, nagganon siya, kakamot, usap, tapos pumasok yung pumasok na yung multo, hindi niya tinignan na pumasok, nakita nyo, ulit, hindi, basta ang bilis ng pangyayari eh, na-skip niya yung pagdaan ng multo, pagkakausap niya, tinuro niya, tapos sinara na niya yung pinto, walang reaction sa kanya na dumaan yung momo ng multo. Yun yung tingin ko. So, hindi pa rin natin alam. Malay mo naman, inisnab lang niya talaga yung multo.
Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
Ayan, tinuro. O, di ba? Tapos bigla niyang sinara. Tinuturo pa lang niya, sinara na. Hindi pa niya napapapasok. nakapasok na yung multo. Paano nakapasok yung multo? Pinagsarhan nga niya nung tali. So anyway, gumagawa lang naman ako ng aking sariling istorya, pero ito ay nag-viral. Alam ko. Yes, alam ko ito ay nag-viral. Yan lang naman. So ang ganda ng video, di ba? Fearsome Top 5. Don't forget to subscribe.